Welcome back once more. Here's how the cross section looks after the last video with the belay pin tables done. On today's video I'm gonna be planking this deck. I hope you enjoy, leave a like, leave a comment, and please do remember to subscribe. As I mentioned on the previous video, on this deck my plan is to plank only the back part, the front will remain open. This will allow to look down and more light to go in to see the other details on the bottom decks. And as usual I'm cutting wood to length and gluing it on the beams. Now, there was a slight problem that I needed to address. Initially I wasn't planning to plank this part behind the belay pin tables, but I realized that I need planks there because there's gonna be a railing. Not only there's gonna be a railing, but the railing will be used to attach some of the ropes. And even though every rope is not that much tension, it is a bit of tension with all the ropes added, so I needed to reinforce a bit. So I added this plank that I'm marking now on the screen as a reinforcement, and then I lay new planks over it, so this way there's a bit more surface for the planks to glue on, and hopefully there won't be any problem when tension is put on the railing. With the issues with the planking solved, I now start to drill the holes for the 3 nails. Now for the 3 nails, as I've done on the previous decks, I use a lead pencil and I snap a bit of the graphite on each of these holes. Now I use sandpaper to go over the 3 nails that have some graphite sticking out, and I will use this to make the planks a bit more dirty and more greyish to have the weathered look. Once I've reached the point that I'm pleased with the result, with all the sanding, I apply the final touch, an heavy coat of the solution of isopropyl alcohol with Indian ink. And that's it, the deck is blanked, it's weathered, everything is done. I leave you with a few pictures of the process. Sadly no picture of the deck done, apparently I forgot to take a picture. But we'll see it on the next video for sure. Thank you so much for watching, leave a like, leave a comment, please consider subscribing. I hope to see you all on the next one.